And welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today I want to answer a question I got asked on the channel, and this question has come from quite a few people. The question is, how do I moisturize? To moisturize effectively, first of all, you need to determine your skin type. I have just released a video on how to determine your skin type, so please do watch it. You need to find out whether your skin is dry, your skin is oily, your skin is normal, or you have a sensitive skin. Once this is established, the next thing you need to do is to find a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type. There are different types of moisturizers. There are creams, there are ointments, there are lotions, and there are emollients. If you find out that you have a dry skin, then it is best to look for an oil-based moisturizer. So an oil-based moisturizer is one that would have more oil than water. This would help lock in moisture on the skin. An oil-based moisturizer would, for example, contain jojoba oil or coconut oil. Petroleum jelly is also a good moisturizer for dry skin. If your skin is normal, then look for a cream. A cream would contain some oil as well as some water, so it's not too oily and it's not too watery. If your skin is oily, then a lotion would be suitable for it. A lotion has more water than oil. Once you know your skin type and you know what kind of moisturizer to apply, the next step is how to apply the moisturizer. The best way to apply your moisturizer is to determine the direction of hair growth and apply the moisturizer in that direction. So for example, if you take your hand and you determine that the hair is growing in the forward direction, that is, the hair is growing in this direction, then when you get your lotion, your cream or your ointment, you are applying it in that direction. So you apply your cream or your lotion in this way, and it should be only in one direction. You don't have to apply your cream or your lotion in this way. Most of us have developed the habit of moisturizing our skin in both directions, and this can result in your skin aging very fast, as well as causing the pores to clog up, especially on your face. If you apply your creams or your lotions in so many different directions every single time. It is also a good idea to apply a moisturizer at least once a day to make your skin feel fresh and beautiful, and also to prevent excessive dryness. It is also advisable to apply your moisturizer on damp skin. That is, after taking your shower, don't wipe your skin off all the water droplets. Leave some water droplets on your skin and apply a moisturizer straight away. This helps lock in some moisture on the skin and makes your skin feel soft and moisturized for a longer period. Avoid using very hot water when taking your shower, and make sure you don't stay in the shower for way too long, as this can also rip your skin of its natural oils. If you have a sensitive skin, look for products that are mainly made for sensitive skin. Now, our take home for today: in as much as you want to moisturize your skin and keep it looking moisturized all the time, anytime you buy a product for use on your skin, make sure you carry out a patch test to determine if the product is suitable for your skin. I'm going to leave a link on how to carry out a patch test in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Thank you once again for your time today. Please give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our informative content. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.